Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to earn $10 by referring a friend in PayPal. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pay and Get Paid. On the right side of this page, you will see an option for Invite Your Friends. Click on Invite Your Friends. At the bottom part of this page, you will see a section for Refer a Friend. On the empty field, enter the name, email, or mobile number of the friend you wish to invite. After that, click on Invite. Now enter the following information. On the first field, enter the recipient's first name and last name. Then select the recipient's country or region of residence on the second field. After entering all the information, click on Continue. Now select the payment method, then click on Next. Lastly, review all the information. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Send Payment Now. That's how you earn $10 by referring a friend in PayPal. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.